Hi, welcome to the Mammoth Tech Show, and today we'll be talking about an issue you may encounter with the DJI Osmo Mobile. Updating the firmware using the DJI Go app can be fiddly, and if it fails it can have a serious effect on the Osmo Mobile itself. If you do get a firmware update failure, then the Osmo Mobile may refuse to connect to the DJI Go app anymore, meaning you lose a lot of functionality from the device. Fortunately, it is possible to recover from this. First, you need to download the DJI Assistant 2 software onto a PC or Mac. Once the software is installed, you then connect the Osmo Mobile to your computer using the USB cable supplied with the device. Driver software for the Osmo Mobile will then be installed, but you may need to disconnect and then reconnect your device before the Osmo Mobile can be seen by the software. The firmware should then be fixed and updated, bringing your Osmo Mobile back up to full health and back onto speaking terms with the DJI Go app. If you've had a sickly Osmo Mobile, hopefully these tips will have helped. If so, give this video a like. And if you've got any top gimbal tips, drop them into the comments section. If you'd like to see more from us, then please subscribe. This has been the Mammoth Tech Show. Thank you very much for watching.
Oh.